All right, last part of this. So we're talking about this lid. Okay. Right now, I'm just going to address this part, the part that sticks out. And we also know, let me just do this here. There's like this one is kind of goes in. There's another ring. We don't have to get this technical right now. All I want to do is kind of figure this out. Okay, figure this out. And maybe come out here, step by step. All right, so that's where I'm going. All right, so there's the piece. Always do me a favor. Duplicate your pieces so you can see the progress of your work, okay? Already my lid doesn't have the ones here, so I know before I do anything, I can actually duplicate it. Shift D, X, here it is. I'll go there. And I'm going to Control A it to clear the transforms. So apply, what? The scale. So everything is 1, 1, 1. Beautiful. All right, watch this part here, okay? We know there's a little rim, right? So I can go in here, use what I know. Tab in. Go to face, and I'm just going to stay and move. I'm going to select this face. Now, if I press Inset, okay, Inset I, kind of like that. So if this is my rim, the thickness of the rim, that's cool. Nothing new so far. Next, notice that I was using Inset here, which is this, right? So it does that. Okay, see that? That's the same thing as me pressing I. I like the I. It's much easier, but it's up to you. Okay, so now I want to go to this, my favorite part, which is Extrude, okay? All right, so we're going to spin around here, for example, and Inset is not what I want. I want Extrude, so Extrude is this. So if you left-click at the bottom here, look at all the different things. We're going to leave it as is, but I may just go Extrude along normal. So that means the direction it's facing. So watch here. I'm going to go 1, hold Shift, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5. I don't know. 4 is kind of good, right? Here's 4. I've selected 4 faces, which are polygons. If I press Extrude, look what it does. Oh, inwards, wrong direction. This direction looks pretty good, right? Nice, eh? Look at that. Essentially, this is that part of the lid. That's it. Okay, so that part is done. Now I need to get out of this. Go back to move. So whenever you finish any operation, please, 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 get out of it. Okay, so remember edge, okay? So here's an edge, hold Shift, here's another edge, okay? Now, being in this view, and I didn't pick the best angle, it's not in the center, okay? This is, but it's concentric, so it doesn't matter. So what I want to do is maybe scale this in, watch. See? So I'm tapering it in, okay? Now look, if I look at it from above, here it is, from above. This is what I did. So it's not the best way to do it. I should have just like, watch this, Control Z. I'm going to do this from here. I want to be symmetrical, okay? So let's see if I can figure this out. So maybe here, spin, 1, 2, 3, left click 4 times. Okay, so if I go to top view, I have 4, which is right in the center, right? I go like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going in X-ray mode, like a wireframe, shaded, okay, shaded. Get out of this before you guys get confused even more. Okay, so it says something extrude along the normal. So if you click on this and just left click and hold, this will pop up. So if I go extrude, there it is. Okay, nice. All right. Now, if I want, let me try what scale does for me. I said scale, Balian. Come on, scale. On the X. See? You're tapering and tapering and tapering so much. Just a little on the X scale. Done. All right. Next thing we know is right now, okay, I want to work on this face. And I want it to go down, which is either extrude or inset. Definitely not inset, possibly extrude. So let's go in here. Watch this. Up, nope, I want to go down. Look at that. Oh, this is sweet. Right there. This is all I needed for now. Okay? You do that, you're awesome. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to delete this face right now. X, bye-bye to faces, just for now. So you see what I'm doing? I'm doing that. Okay, look how nice that is. This is kind of like my lid, right? Go to face, back to moves. So when you're done an operation, always go to move. Please, move. Okay? Now, if I press scale now, remember Spidey, right? Spidey's going to come out. I'm not going to use scale here. S, look. Now I'm actually, it's tapered, which is super sweet for me. Okay, I'm going to press I to inset a touch, just a touch, and I'm going to push it down a bit, just a bit like that. See? Done. All right, tab out. Let's look at this object. Ooh, everything's looking sweet, Balian. Looking sweet here. Everything's ones because I want to bevel the outside just for now by just a fraction. Okay, watch this. Tab. Oh my God, I haven't even saved anything yet. All right, so far we haven't crashed. Excellent. Alt left click. Look at this. I'm going to go to bevel. Just going to go just a little bit here and add 1 or 2. There you go. Done. Tab out. So now you will, the next demo for me is what your deliverer, the next deliverable is this right here. You'll take a screen grab with snippet right here. Eventually we're going to render it, shade it, color it, and all of that goodness. Okay? So look, if that's that, I can duplicate it, Shift DX, and pop it over here. Okay, go into the ortho view, look at it, line it up. Not bad, it's not quite right. Go here, I'm going to go to another view, line it up. Look, it's way off. Well, I'll go top. Not bad, actually. Let me see. Yeah, it's okay. Not bad. So you have to use your views here, folks. Now, why? Oh, yeah, this has that part. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool for me. So what I want to see is this as the next submission. Okay, and hopefully by now we would go Control-Shift-S. I call this blend. I'm going to go plus here. I'll talk about this after. An underscore water. I'm just going to call it cup. Okay. Apparently I have the caps on. Great. Cup. Great. Here's number 2 in my demo is this. So you take a screen grab, take as many pictures as you want. Sell your work, folks. Sell it. Means if you want to just come in here and do a snippet of this, that's great. You want to come in here, go like that, go for it. You want to turn this off, go for it. Look how it looks. Man, that looks sweet. I love it. Like we're learning to design something. Now your creativity is going to open. I'm going to show you other ways to do things each time. Okay, so this is it, I think. Take a nice screen grab of this with the edges on, please. It's good to see your topology. Okay, good enough. Balian out. See ya. Next part done.